So the gopis are crying, "Oh Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, oh Krishna, Hare Krishna, oh Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, oh Krishna, Hare Krishna, oh, where are you? Please come, show yourself to me, touch me, feel me, kiss me, love me, be with me, take me, deliver me." So the Acharya, as Vishnu says, he was standing right outside the bushes. And what it says, because I've heard it so many times, he was standing right outside the bushes, hearing their every love-filled utterance, which is in Sarta Darshini, in chapter 31. And then they weren't just saying Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. It says they were crying their hearts out. Tava katam ritam, tapta jivanam. They're crying. They're not just Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilavana Santa. So how are we chanting? Are we chanting, crying or chanting? Chanting means singing. Singing means stotram, stutis, geet. Geet means singing. So Krishna wants to see the quality. It's the quality, not the quantity. They only chanted a few prayers. And then they were crying and crying. It's explained in one Sanskrit word in chapter 31. It says, ut kirtan. And the Acharyas say, ut means loud, and ut means with full heart. Ut means crying. They were crying.